Have you ever wondered why Pilates has become one of the most recommended forms of exercise for people of all ages and fitness levels, and how something that looks so gentle can actually transform your body and mind in powerful ways? Pilates is more than just a workout. It is a carefully designed system of controlled movements, mindful breathing, and core-centered strength that has been changing lives for decades. At first glance, it might seem slow or simple compared to high-intensity workouts or heavy weightlifting. But beneath the surface lies a method that targets deep muscles, improves overall health, and enhances the way you carry yourself in everyday life. If you have been searching for an exercise routine that improves posture, builds strength, increases flexibility, reduces stress, and supports long-term health without being harsh on your joints, Pilates offers exactly that. The foundation of Pilates is rooted in balance. Unlike workouts that only focus on building muscle or burning calories, Pilates brings the mind and body into harmony by emphasizing proper alignment, control, and precision. The breathing techniques used during each movement enhance oxygen flow throughout the body, which not only energizes you, but also creates a sense of calm that extends far beyond the workout itself. This unique combination of strength training, stretching, and mindful focus has made Pilates a go-to practice for athletes, dancers, office workers, and people recovering from injuries. What makes it truly special is that it can be adapted to virtually any body type or fitness level, making it accessible whether you are a complete beginner or someone who has been active for years. One of the biggest health benefits of Pilates is the way it strengthens the core. When most people hear the word core, they think of visible abdominal muscles. But in Pilates, the core refers to a much deeper system of stabilizing muscles that includes the abdominals, lower back, hips, and pelvic floor. Strengthening this area provides a foundation for almost every movement you make, from standing and walking to lifting and bending. A strong core improves posture, helps protect your spine from injury, and relieves tension in areas like the neck and shoulders that often overcompensate when the core is weak. This is why so many people who suffer from back pain find relief after starting Pilates, as it gently trains the muscles that support and align the spine. But Pilates is not just about core strength. It also improves flexibility, which is essential for maintaining mobility as we age. Unlike static stretching, Pilates combines strength with flexibility by lengthening the muscles while they are actively engaged. This creates balanced muscle development, reducing the risk of tightness and injury. Many people notice that after just a few weeks of consistent practice, they can move more freely, bend more easily, and feel less stiffness in their joints. This increase in mobility doesn't just make workouts easier. It makes daily activities like reaching overhead, tying your shoes, or getting up from a chair more effortless. Beyond strength and flexibility, Pilates is a powerful tool for improving posture and body awareness. In today's world, where so many of us spend hours sitting at desks or looking down at phones, poor posture has become a widespread issue that leads to discomfort and long-term health problems. Pilates teaches you how to realign your body, stand taller, and move with greater efficiency. Over time, this improved posture can help prevent headaches, back pain, and joint strain, while also giving you more confidence in how you present yourself. Many practitioners say that after a few months of Pilates, they notice not only less pain, but also a sense of lightness and grace in how they move through the world. The health benefits of Pilates are not limited to the physical body. They extend deeply into the mind as well. Because Pilates emphasizes concentration and control, it creates a meditative quality that reduces stress and quiets the mind. Each exercise requires you to be fully present, focusing on the precision of your movements and the rhythm of your breath. This mindful aspect of Pilates makes it similar in some ways to practices like yoga or meditation, offering a sense of calm and mental clarity that many people find just as rewarding as the physical results. Regular practice has been linked to better sleep, reduced anxiety, and improved mood, showing that Pilates is not just a workout, but a form of self-care. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. When it comes to structuring a Pilates practice, people often ask how long a session should last and how many times per week they should commit. The good news is that Pilates is flexible and adaptable, which means there is no single answer that fits everyone. For beginners, even a short 20 to 30-minute session can bring noticeable benefits, especially when the focus is on learning proper form and breathing techniques. As you become more comfortable and skilled, sessions of 45 to 60 minutes tend to provide the most balanced and comprehensive workout. However, consistency is more important than duration. A shorter session practiced regularly will bring far greater results than a longer workout done only once in a while. In terms of frequency, most experts recommend practicing Pilates 2 to 3 times per week for general health benefits. This is enough to strengthen your muscles, improve flexibility, and build the mind-body connection without overwhelming your schedule. For those who want to progress more quickly in terms of strength, posture, and overall conditioning, 3 to 4 sessions per week can be ideal. However, even just 1 to 2 sessions weekly can be beneficial, especially when combined with other forms of movement such as walking, swimming, or strength training. The key is to view Pilates as a long-term commitment rather than a quick fix. Its benefits accumulate over time, and many people who stay consistent notice that not only does their body become stronger and more flexible, but their overall quality of life improves. One of the reasons Pilates is so effective is that it respects the body's natural alignment and avoids the wear and tear associated with high-impact exercise. Unlike running or heavy weightlifting, Pilates places minimal stress on the joints, making it suitable for people of all ages, including seniors and those recovering from injuries. In fact, many physical therapists incorporate Pilates-based movements into rehabilitation programs because of their ability to strengthen weak areas without strain. This low-impact quality also means that Pilates can be practiced safely for years, allowing it to support long-term health rather than just short-term fitness goals. Another often overlooked benefit of Pilates is how it complements other forms of exercise. Runners often find that Pilates improves their stride and prevents injuries by strengthening stabilizing muscles. Dancers use Pilates to build the strength and control needed for demanding routines. Even people who enjoy weight training notice that Pilates enhances their form, helps them lift more safely, and reduces the risk of injury. Because it strengthens the core, improves alignment, and increases body awareness, Pilates becomes the foundation upon which all other physical activities can improve. Perhaps one of the most inspiring aspects of Pilates is how it empowers people to take control of their own health. Unlike fitness programs that focus solely on aesthetics or quick results, Pilates encourages a deeper relationship with your body. It helps you listen to subtle signals, understand how your muscles work together, and cultivate awareness that carries into everything you do. Whether you are sitting at a desk, driving, playing sports, or simply walking down the street, the lessons learned on the mat or reformer translate into more efficient and pain-free movement throughout your day. If you are considering adding Pilates to your routine, the best approach is to start small and build gradually. Even short sessions a few times per week can create significant changes in how you feel, and as you progress, you may find yourself naturally drawn to longer, more frequent practices. The beauty of Pilates lies in its adaptability. It can be practiced at home with nothing more than a mat, in a studio with specialized equipment, alone through guided videos, or with the support of a skilled instructor who can tailor movements to your specific needs. Regardless of where or how you begin, the benefits will be noticeable if you stay consistent. In the end, Pilates is not just about exercise. It is about cultivating strength, balance, and mindfulness that improve every aspect of life. From stronger muscles and better posture to reduced stress and improved mood, the rewards of this practice are both immediate and long-lasting. The answer to how long a session should be or how many times a week you should practice depends on your goals and schedule, but the real secret lies in commitment. By approaching Pilates with patience and consistency, You will discover that it is not simply a workout, but a holistic practice that nurtures your body and mind, helping you feel healthier, more energized, and more at home in yourself with every passing week. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.